Did you notice the sentiment score for renewable energy is currently at plus 0.52, a notable spike compared to our historical baseline? This is a strong signal of positive sentiment, despite a momentum drop of minus 0.46 over the past 24 hours, which suggests some hesitancy amidst this uplift. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment analysis, breaking down the latest trends into 16 semantic clusters. This enables you to see not just how sentiment is shifting but why, pinpointing the conversations driving these changes. Imagine you're building a dashboard for a renewable energy startup. You can leverage this data to identify which specific topics are resonating with your audience, allowing you to tailor your content strategy effectively. For more insights, dive into our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.